Today, I'm about to show you something truly mind-blowing. 3 AI video generation websites that I personally use in my own content workflow. Tools that are honestly nothing short of groundbreaking and almost unbelievable in what they can do. They are completely free, open source, and allow you to generate unlimited videos. No credits, no hidden paywalls, no limits, and no watermarks. Just pure, unrestricted, high-quality AI video generation. But here's the important part, and this is something most YouTube channels will never tell you. I'm going to actually show you the exact workflow, step by step, that you can use so that you can actually use these tools properly and avoid the frustrating AI traps that most beginners fall into. These tools work on your laptop, PC, or even your phone, so make sure you stick around until the end because I will share all the links, prompts, and tools so you don't waste time searching fake, low-quality websites. Plus, I'll also reveal my personal #1 favorite free AI video generator. Now, before we go any further, take a look at this. All of these jaw-dropping clips you just saw were generated using extremely basic prompts. No complex editing, no expensive production teams, no Hollywood-level software, just AI. And what's absolutely insane is this: the quality. The resolution is crisp, the motion is smooth and cinematic. Even the background audio design is incredibly realistic and immersive. It's almost staggering how far this technology has come. With these tools, you can create content for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Vertical, horizontal, square formats, everything is supported. You can generate text to video, text to image, and image to video, all in a matter of minutes. Now, before we jump into the process, I want to ask you something real quick. If you're finding value in this video, drop a like and comment your favorite niche on YouTube that you can generate with AI. I genuinely want to find out what people are interested, and I will respond to every comment because my goal is simple: to give you access to real, working, free AI workflow systems that are genuinely unlimited, so you don't waste any time. All right, we'll start with tool number 3, the simplest one, and gradually move toward tool number 1, my absolute personal favorite. Tool number 3, QWen 3.5+. First, open Chrome and search for QWen 3.5+. Go to the official website. Once you land on the homepage, click Try QWen Chat. Now, at first glance, you might notice something surprising. The interface feels incredibly familiar, almost like ChatGPT, but don't underestimate that simplicity, because behind that familiar layout is a surprisingly powerful open-source AI ecosystem packed with features most people completely overlook. At the top right corner, click Login. You can create a new account or simply continue instantly with Google. Once you're inside, you'll enter the main dashboard. And here's where things get interesting. This isn't just a chatbot. You can attach files, generate images, create videos, experiment with prompts, and access multiple forms of AI creativity in one place. So let's do a simple test. Type "a fish swimming in clear water." Press enter. Within moments, the AI generates the visual. Now, this alone is impressive, but here's where it gets better. Take that generated image and click Create Video. Immediately, the system transforms your static image into animated motion, and the result? Smooth movement, natural transitions, surprisingly realistic atmosphere, and in some cases, automatic audio generation that adds another layer of immersion. Once it's done, click Download. That's it. No hidden fee, no watermark, completely free. Tool number 2, Hugging Face Spaces. Now, we move to something much bigger and honestly, much more overwhelming: Hugging Face. Search for it in Chrome. Visit the official platform, log in. Now, once you're inside, click on Spaces. And what you're seeing is basically an AI universe. Hugging Face Spaces is like a giant ecosystem of free AI tools created by developers from around the world. Think of it like an open innovation marketplace, except instead of buying software, you can test powerful AI tools directly. Inside, you'll find tools for video generation, image creation, voice synthesis, music, code generation, 3D modeling, translation, upscaling, background removal, and far more than most people will ever try. But for this video, we're focused specifically on free, unlimited AI video generation. So let's narrow in. Scroll through Spaces and look for LTX Video Turbo. Open it. Inside, you'll usually find an image-to-video workflow. Now, upload an image, for example, an old man reading a newspaper. Then type, "He is laughing while reading a newspaper." Click Generate. and instantly the AI begins interpreting your prompt. Now, here's something very important. Results won't always be perfect on the first try. Why? Because AI interprets language literally. So if your prompt is vague, you may get strange newspaper movement, odd hand motion, or unexpected animation choices. But this is where smart prompting changes everything. The clearer your instructions, the more cinematic your result becomes. That's one of the biggest secrets to mastering AI. Specific prompts equal better outcomes. And again, no credits, no hard paywall, no watermark, just experimentation and creative freedom. Now, we've arrived at my personal favorite, and trust me, this one is absolutely insane. Meta AI. Open Chrome, search Meta AI, go to the official platform, log in. Once inside, you'll immediately notice something powerful, a live creative ecosystem where users are actively generating content. You can explore what others are making, get inspiration, and instantly begin creating yourself. Click Create, upload an image, choose your preferred aspect ratio, vertical for TikTok or Reels, horizontal for YouTube, square for social. Then enter your animation instructions. Click Generate, and just like that, Meta AI transforms your still image into motion. But here's what really makes this platform stand out. Its image generation quality is ridiculously good. Try something simple, like a brown cat. The generated results are often detailed, clean, professional, and highly usable. Now, click Animate. This is where the magic happens. Your AI-generated image becomes a moving visual with smooth transitions that often feel dramatically more polished than what most free tools offer. And yes, you can download it instantly. No credits, no hidden paywall, no watermark. But here's the feature most people completely overlook: Extend. This feature is powerful. If your clip is only a few seconds long, you can extend the video, and instead of abruptly ending, the AI intelligently continues the motion, evolving the scene forward. That means your content can become longer, smoother, and far more engaging without starting over. It's honestly one of the most impressive free AI features currently available. So there you have it, 3 insanely powerful AI video tools, 3 real platforms, 3 opportunities to completely transform how you create content. Whether you want YouTube automation, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, faceless channels, AI storytelling, or experimental creative projects, these tools can save you time, money, and effort while massively expanding what's possible. And this is only the beginning. So here's the deal. If this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll create a full advanced follow-up guide showing you how to create high-quality, cinematic, Hollywood-level, long-form AI videos completely free. We're talking full scenes, storytelling workflows, character consistency, advanced prompts, and scalable systems for new creators. Perfect for new YouTube channels, AI movie channels, faceless automation, and next-level content creators. So if you want that, like this video, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next AI tools breakdown.